Hi everyone, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Carla today. Carla's in here because she has a little bit of tightness and stiffness in her left shoulder. We're also going to work on her low back. She's been coming in more for that. Originally you came in for your knee.
Correct.
Your knee's doing better though?
My knee is wonderful.
Her knee's wonderful, so that's good news. So we're going to get started. What we're going to do first, we're just going to get into loosening up this shoulder here. So you're going to go from here, go across your chest, grab the elbow and pull tight. Good, and then come backward. And repeat that. We're going to go back and forth. Good. Pressure's okay?
Pressure is fine.
So you got a lot to do today, huh?
I do.
Yeah? It's a nice day to have a lot of stuff to do, that's for sure.
It's so great to have a nice day.
Yeah. Are you going back into gardening and stuff?
I am. I'm preparing to go on a little trip, so I have to be in good shape.
Okay. Where are you going?
Bimini Island in Bahamas.
When's that?
Thursday.
Thursday?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez. You got to tie up loose ends and get everything done?
I am.
Very nice. And a couple more. Good. And relax. We're going to do a couple passes on the right. Go from here and across the chest. This muscle we're working on right now is a muscle that's commonly tight in anyone who has neck pain, shoulder pain, or headaches. It travels from the shoulder through the neck into the head. So we got to make sure we loosen this up whenever anybody has any sort of complaints that in regard to the neck, shoulder, or head. Go ahead and relax that down. And we're going to raise this hand up and then put that hand down onto your low back. And keep going up and down. Pressure's good?
Pressure's good.
So have you started gardening at all or not yet?
I have.
You have?
It's my passion, but the weather hasn't been cooperating, so.
How does it feel when you're doing the gardening? Like knee and everything feels fine?
Knee is fine.
Good.
Knee is fine, not a problem. Remember when I first came in with my knee, I couldn't even walk.
Yeah, you came in with like a little cart thing.
I'm rolling in on
Yeah.
a cart, and I left walking.
Yeah, that was a great treatment. I'm glad that worked out. It was right around Thanksgiving or Easter or something.
Yes,
Easter? Yeah,
yes.
So she was
and I've been
entertaining.
coming ever since.
Yeah, that was the fix. And one more here. Good, and relax. And you're going to tilt your head to the left, and then tilt your head to the right, and repeat that. This is for her trapezius muscle. Sometimes people call this the trapezoid muscle. It's the trapezius, but definitely another common area that is tight on people. But Carla has no stress in her life, right?
You are a comedian too.
Relax this here. I'm going to do your neck with the activator. Carla prefers the activator to get her neck adjusted. Some people don't like the cracking or the popping noises that are associated with the hands-on adjustments. So we do the activator instead for people who don't want that noise. And I'm going to check here. Good. Good. Okay, we're going to go on your stomach, face down.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to stand up. And now we're going to go and loosen up the hamstrings here. Pressure's okay here?
Pressure's fine.
Good. Hamstrings are important to loosen up. If they're too tight, all the adjustments we do, they're just going to pull on the pelvis again and get the low back tightened up again. It's very smart to make sure that we get this done as well when we do these adjustments. Hamstrings are some of the most common tight muscles in our society because we sit a lot. So it's very important to stretch them out on your own, or at least get something done, myofascial release, foam rolling, something along those lines, just to get everything loosened up and moving better. Same thing goes with the glutes, which we're working on now. So how long are you going to the Bahamas for?
I'll be back Monday.
Thursday to Monday? Is it like an all-inclusive thing?
No, well, I can't say on camera what I'm actually going for
Oh,
because
okay.
it's something that's going to be televised.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Very exciting.
But it should be very enjoyable.
Nice. And there's your phone going off because it's not hooked up to the car. Carla was telling me that she turns her phone on mute when she drives so that she doesn't get distracted by texts and notifications when she's on the road. And I think that's awesome because there are way too many people on the road today on their phones when they should be paying attention to the road. So kudos to you, Carla.
Well, thank you. I just think it, it's the tendency when you hear a text coming in, your first reaction is to reach for the phone, and I don't want to be tempted to do that, so.
Yeah, no, that's great. That's great practice. It's amazing that at a time we didn't even have to worry about that sort of thing. We didn't even have cell phones.
I know.
People just paid attention to where they were going, and that was it. Okay, just slide a little bit closer to your feet. Just slide downward.
Mm-hmm.
Good. And we're going to get into adjustments here. Go ahead and take a breath in, and then breathe out. And again here. And one more here.
That was a good one.
And here. Good. We're going to go on your back, lay face up. You moved a lot today.
Yes.
That's good. You must be relaxed.
Last time you told me I was quite tense.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, you must have done something different today. Rotate here. Good. And just a breath in and breathe out. Good. And go flat on your back. Bend your right knee. And we'll switch the grip here. And one more breath in and out. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, Carla, you're all set.
Thank you.
Come on.
I feel great. Ready to conquer the day.
Very good, very good. Well, this is Carla. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. Thank you for your help doing the video, Carla.
Anytime.